I'm Margie McEwen, Director of VetPrac, and you're going to be safe with VetPrac in these COVID times. I know when you spend all that money on a CE course and then COVID gets in the way, you think you're going to lose it all. But I have no interest in taking people's money for no outcome. So if COVID means that you can't come to one of our workshops, or if we have to postpone because of COVID, then you can do one of the following. You can stay in and transfer to the new dates for that workshop. You can transfer your registration to a different face-to-face workshop or any of our online or in-house offerings. You can leave your registration as a credit in VetPrac till you make your mind up about what you want to do, or you can contact me directly for a refund. At VetPrac, we've got you.